Hello and thanks for joining us tonight. A tragic 2-year legal fight is over for a Hancock County family. It has been a little over 2 years since the death of Brianna Grier in Sparta.
Now her family has settled their lawsuit with the Hancock County Sheriff and 2 deputies. The lawsuit claimed gross negligence by the sheriff and sheriff's deputies led to Grier's death in July 2022. She died after she fell from the back seat of a moving sheriff's cruiser. Her family says she was suffering a mental health episode at the time. Camila Williams has been following this story since the beginning. She joins us in studio to recap how the case came to a close.
Yeah, good evening, Frank and Lori. It's been a long time coming for the Grier family. From that day on July 14th to now, this is as close to closure the family will have, but it will never be enough to bring Brianna home.
It didn't have to be that.
Late on the night of July 14th, 2022, her family says Brianna Grier was having a schizophrenic episode. Her mother, Mary Grier, told us she called the Hancock County Sheriff's Office for help.
If I had known that it was going to turn out like this, God knows I wouldn't have called in to come and get her.
According to their incident report, deputies put Grier in the back of a cruiser and drove off, but they failed to secure her in the back seat and didn't lock the doors.
Sit up, Brianna. You all right? Yeah. How did she jump out the car? Don't supposed to be unlocked in the back.
4 days later, Grier died in Atlanta hospital from head injuries from falling in the road.
Brianna was a caring person.
But her family's struggle was far from over.
We are going to demand full accountability, and we're going to demand justice.
Which led to protests, frustration, and questions. The Griers and their lawyers argued that the deputies were negligent and poorly trained and violated Brianna's civil rights. District Attorney T. Wright Barksdale said the deputies committed no crimes, and he declined to take the case to a grand jury.
Quite frankly, it's not the sheriff's office that should be responding. It should be medical professionals.
But people weren't satisfied.
In place of locking her up, they should have called EMS to the scene so the EMS could sedate her and transfer her to the hospital.
The family filed a $100 million federal civil rights lawsuit last May. Her father, Marvin Grier, died last year, but told us he wanted law enforcement to be trained on dealing with mental health crises.
We need someone to assist them if they don't get the training in it. They need somebody to assist them that can deal with people that have mental challenge.
Court documents don't disclose the amount of the settlement, and we have reached out to Sheriff Primus and the Grier's family lawyer for comment, and they have not responded. Back to you, Lori.
Thank you, Camila. Georgia's co-responders law took effect 2 weeks before Grier's death. It says law enforcement and mental health professionals should work together to resolve mental health crises like hers, but it doesn't provide funding or staffing to make it happen. Her family told us that trained mental health responders on scene could have saved her life.